Today I will be showing you how to make an analog TV transmitter for under $100. So I will show you how. First, buy an RF modulator. You can get this model on Amazon for 30 to 40 bucks. It can set on multi VHF and UHF. I currently have it set on VHF 4 because no one's using that frequency. The only VHF frequency that's used in my area is channel 12. Get a video source like a digital converter box tuner, VCR, DVD player, anything that has AV RCA outputs. Then plug it into here. To boost the signal, you're going to need one of these rabbit ear antennas. This one I have is like $5 on Amazon, but you're going to have to wait like 1 to 2 months to come here because it comes from China. I have this portable TV. So I'll show you. After you plug everything in, you should have an analog picture. This TV has a black and white picture, but one of my portable TVs have color. So you just get all the way to channel 4. There you go.
This is actually nice. And my hands are not greasy.
Switching channels on my TV tuner.
That means no more guessing. It's easy to see your glucose number any time of the day. Call now and get free shipping.
Now you have that old fuzzy picture.
For you.
Thank you guys for watching.
Don't wait until